Hey Albert, hey track fans, how we doing? Welcome to track 67, and we've got a new car. It's a Mercedes AMG GT3. We've seen its former paint job, which was pink and chrome, a big favourite of track fans. This one, new paint job, orange wheels, liking it. Let's drive. Whoa, into Gambon already, staggered Gambon there. What we got here, we've got 4 lanes of Scalextric action into an R2, round a staggered R1. Oh, here we are, all going on. I can't even keep up with the commentary because it's quite a quick track. 4 lanes. We haven't started to lane change yet. Through pole into Gambon, almost derailed. He's catching this barrier here, but there's nothing we can do. We're in a race mode, so we're going to have to slow down into the corner. Simple driving science. Slow into the corner, fast out. Track fans motto. Fast everywhere. Okay, let's go. Far side, R2, into a swiggle there. There's a swiggle on that corner. You can't see it there, but let's go around and take a look at the track detail in more detail. There it is. Anyway, it's coming round. 4 lanes. Lane change. Let's give him a little helping hand. He got stuck there because I took my finger off the trigger on the wrong part of the lane change. Anyway, oh, we got some drift. He's held it and a lane change. Well done. The AMG is easy to drive, very smooth, very, very fast. One slip of the trigger and he is off the track fans. But yeah, big drift, big on the drift. I can't do the drift because I'm recording, but you might have seen it in the track preview. We got some drift, huge drift. Oh, we got a kick out there. We try and get some drift on this corner. Oh, it didn't get it. We'll get on the next one. And round there we go. R2, here we go. Oh, he didn't get it right. Let's make this our last lap, track fans. Then we can get on and see where if you can build your own 4-lane track. Be sure to check out the strategy, the top tip I did a minute ago for 4-lane, building that. Anyway, track fans, Albert, see you soon.